Decentralized Finance, DeFi. It sounds complicated, but it's simply a new way of thinking about money. Imagine a world where you control your finances without banks or intermediaries. That's the promise of DeFi. DeFi uses blockchain technology, the same tech behind Bitcoin. This means transactions happen directly between users, peer-to-peer, on a secure and transparent network. No more relying on third parties to manage your money. DeFi is about putting you back in control. It's about creating a more open, accessible, and equitable financial system for everyone. Traditionally, financial services have been controlled by centralized institutions like banks. They act as intermediaries, facilitating transactions and managing our money. DeFi changes the game. It removes the need for these intermediaries. Instead, we use smart contracts, self-executing contracts on the blockchain to access financial services. Want to lend or borrow money? There's a DeFi platform for that. Need insurance? DeFi has you covered. This peer-to-peer system is more efficient, transparent, and often cheaper than traditional finance. It's finance for the people, by the people. DeFi isn't just a new technology, it's a revolution. It was born in 2018, fueled by the desire for greater financial empowerment and access. For too long, traditional finance has excluded millions from its services. DeFi aims to change this. It offers a borderless, permissionless financial system open to anyone with an internet connection. No matter your background or location, you can participate in the DeFi ecosystem. This is a game changer, especially for those underserved by traditional finance. DeFi brings the power of finance to the people. Section 4, DeFi versus CeFi, a head-to-head. So, how does DeFi differ from traditional or centralized finance, also known as CeFi? It all comes down to control. In CeFi, institutions like banks and governments control the financial system. They set the rules, manage your money, and can even restrict your access. DeFi flips the script. You control your finances. You decide how and where to store your money and how you want to use it. This control comes with responsibility, of course. Security becomes paramount in a decentralized world. Despite the risks, the potential rewards of DeFi are immense. It's a chance to break free from the constraints of traditional finance and embrace a more open, equitable future. Section 5. Navigating the DeFi world. Ready to explore DeFi? The first step is choosing a DeFi wallet. Think of it as your gateway to the DeFi ecosystem. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet are popular options. Once you have a wallet, you can start exploring the world of DeFi tokens. Ethereum is the most popular, powering many DeFi applications. Others include Chainlink, Aave, and Uniswap, each with unique functionalities. Remember, DeFi is still in its early stages. While exciting, it's important to research and understand the risks involved. Start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The future of finance is decentralized. Welcome to the revolution. Crypto Inspector is out.